Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to your heart readings actually. And I hope that you all are doing well. Thanks for coming and returning. If you are new, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon definitely to get notified. Let's begin. So these are general, universal, may or may not resonate with every one of you at the same time. Relations being accepted. Thank you for everything. Okay. There's a water tank in the water tank. Okay, that's what I saw. Deep emotions hidden into deep. Okay, there is someone in someone's heart which they are also ignoring in the way to not let someone know their deepest of feelings and thoughts. First thing. For some cases, it is someone who is feeling very deep, and this very deep feeling is not at all healthy because we need to come out or overcome this, okay? It is becoming difficult, but it's not impossible. Again, I am not here just to predict things. I just want you to be out of such scenarios. There's a water tank inside the water tank. There may be a water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Five of Coins, Five of Pentacles energy. There's something that someone is hiding from the other energy. It is also someone who is feeling wounded. It is also someone who might be feeling left out. This may be the energy of how to but can't. Okay, I did the reading for Aries, Leo, Sagittarius for the time frame of supposedly 3rd May till 9th of May 2021. And there I used can't, cannot, they can't. Okay, so if that resonates with you, you may check. Though these are collective, as you all know, like collaboration. I feel with the Five of Coins is something that is telling that you need to cross something here, or you did cross something. This is the place that you really need to clean out. Like this is telling me like the water tank in the water tank inside of the heart, which to me is telling that you need to clarify something inside. Like it's from the inside out. It's like detoxify, that's the word. If I'm wrong, don't get offended. It's to just clean the body, cleansing basically, in the physical form as well, and on a practical note as well. Around you, decluttering, you know, you need to format some stuff here. People are lingering on with thoughts, and those are like you don't need them. I'm unable to find out the words today. I don't know what is happening. But with the Five of Coins energy, it's oh, ouch. I'll be back, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought like I got pricked by something, and it actually is hurting me. But I'm gonna look after it later on. So maybe that's the message. Something is pricky. Five of Coins energy is telling me, do not keep me back in the deck, honey. I don't want to go inside because I want to let the people or whoever is listening to me, let me check out all this crap or drama. It's something forbidden also, something that you really need to work, something that's in the deepest of desires, deepest of thoughts, deepest of reality. For many of you, it's like in the deepest of reality, and you really need to check that out. Maybe it's finalization. Maybe it's like something that is, they went, they're gonna come back, but people know it. This is Five of Coins. They know it. It's missed opportunity for the other energy or for you, or maybe this thing is kind of like left out in the cold. Okay. They'll be here in a moment, or maybe that was the problem. I'll be here. I'll be there in just few days. I'll call you. I'll call you. Okay, but possible they never did. They were supposed to. They were supposed to fulfill their promise. Okay, but that's okay. That's okay. I feel like you never heard, or someone never heard from you. and you're working on this energy of understanding, accepting, because it is becoming difficult or was difficult for you to make a move. You waited here, and now there are so many cobwebs, and it's like something that forbidden, or maybe something that you need to decide forbidden. It's also something in the memory, in the flashback. This is something, it's there, but you don't want to acknowledge it because you just don't want to. You're ignoring it. I don't want it. I don't want to think about it. It's like the conversation happening, and you're saying that I don't want to. I don't want to have that communication. Come on, understand me. Okay. To be honest, there is someone who is hung. To be honest, they're not landing. To be honest, maybe they want, but they can't. King of Wands. As I said in the startup, maybe an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay? Possible, not necessary, but someone over here is hanged. Possible. How I'm supposed to touch what I lost. So the energy is about getting the lost opportunity back. Means how you are supposed to. Like, we honor you and we give you that position. But I can because my semester is going on. I want to study. I don't want to leave that. Can I join later? Oh, we'll see. But that never happens because that's the lost opportunity. Okay? And maybe some of you are fine with that. Eight of Wands energy. The meeting yet to happen. Okay? The meeting yet to happen. I feel the lost contact may turn up after the big pause here. This is Eight of Wands energy. It's the instinct. It's someone's instinct telling. It is also, for some cases, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, though these are for all. And there's an Aquarius as well. There's also someone who is looking out for the partner. But that something changed. And now wolf doesn't want to settle things. Or an eagle doesn't want. Someone is not allowing to let some communication land or the meeting happen. Like, I never heard from you. But there is Eight of Wands energy, which is like unexpected communication may turn up. Unexpected letter, email. But I have this very deep energy of like someone who is not telling you something, or you're not telling something to someone, or maybe you don't even realize what happened between you and this energy because it's deep inside. Okay, it's like the water tank in the water tank. It's like, I'm not going to. It's like someone doesn't want to hear from you, or you don't want to hear. Okay, or maybe someone is in denial of meeting, and it's been like around 5 years or so, because you have number 5, and this is telling me 5 years energy, long energy. Like, yes, I know that way. Possible it's like just 5 months, 5 weeks energy as well, because look, energy is changing, but I feel like it's a very heavy energy of 5 years. And something is messed up here, but this is also unexpected. I'm telling you, they're going to be roar, they're going to be roar kind of energy. Okay, there's no cat, but meow kind of energy. Well, there's Knight of Wands energy. Someone who is bringing a treasure for you from the long gone case. Maybe you're going to hear from them. It's something that, yes, oh wow, my God. You have Eight of Cups energy as well. It's like a long gone case. You may hear it from them. Someone whomsoever walked away, or just like walked away is like someone who just opened the door, and you may walk away, I don't care, and they walked away kind of energy. But it does affect, of course. It's something of like a move out energy as well, on practical notes. Okay, or something else as like not talking anymore. We never met, or we never met in a long time, but we are not talking anymore. This may be a work situation as well. There are some of you might be having trouble in work areas, financial situations here. You can't leave that, but you want to, but you can't, because this is the source. Okay, there is something that was cut short. Like, how does that make sense? It's like the salary or something was done half, or according to percentage. There's certain kind of quarrel that you had at work, possible for some cases, regarding money or something like that. But that was mine. How can you do that? I worked so hard for that. But why they are going to come for what? Okay, I heard like they're coming for, I don't know for what. But there's a Six of Swords energy. It's like overcoming something and having certain laps but crossing them. And this may be communication from far. I said so, unexpected communication, move, okay? There are guards up here. There's a movement, there's this territory, there is something that's like guarded. Someone who is trying something from other source possible, or there's a call, or there's something that will be of a contact lead, like a line. That's what I see. No one saw it, but you got it. No one saw it, but you received it. Maybe someone does want to meet you and they are telling you that I just don't want anyone else to know. Can you just talk to me? Someone who does want to cross the line for you. Can we put that in a dare? Yes. Knight of Swords energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. There's also King of Swords energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But there's also communication coming through. Fast communication. There's distance, yes. There's a movement, yes. Someone is away, yes. Are they looking for you? Yes. Now again, don't say that for everyone. I know they are not. I may not be the tarot reader for all of you, but you know that these are general. But I see for some of you here. I see they saw you. I see they saw you. Like you are crossing over, they're not telling anyone. Or they are crossing over and then you're not telling anyone. It's like whatever you're receiving or whatever communication you're having with someone, if this is with the past energy, because you also have a 5 Pentacles energy, hearing from them, then supposedly you are hanging in and you're not releasing or revealing anything, any news, anything, any communication. You're having certain discussion with someone. In the coming time, we're going to see what's going to happen. The Hanged Man energy, someone is stuck in someone's thoughts or just stuck. They want to move, okay? There's a communication that is stuck. There is something that they want to have with you. And it's like someone is drained as well. And there's a long wait here, I see. They're not well. They're not well, possibly emotionally or physically. I don't understand what is that. But someone is not well. Six of Cups energy. They're hung in there in the past. Okay, and this whatever no contact situation that you had with the person, this does want them to resurge. I feel like a resurgence. Six of Cups energy is here, definitely. They're thinking about the promise, the commitment, the ring, the relationship, whatever your storyline is. But with the Six of Cups energy, it's something of missing someone bad here. And in the absence, someone got into this shape, kind of like they're not so well. Like kind of energy form, okay? Someone is not sleeping that well. I heard something is over for someone or something is over. Now, Four of Coins, Four of Pentacles energy reversed. Someone is in great demand of balance here. Whatever is in separation, they want balance. Someone is out of their square box or something, complexities or whatever zone. Whatever their defenses were up, they just want to let that out. Someone can't control, like it's like I can't hold in. I feel that kind of energy. There's less of even financial issues also with someone. I don't understand what, but I feel like someone can't hold it anymore, This may be the Devil Capricorn, but this as an energy form, there's a bounce. Okay. What do you want? What do you want from me? What do you want? Oh my. What do you want? There's going to be something. Just give me a second. This thing may happen in coming 6 weeks, 6 months, 6 days. Okay? Now, if you want to check back later again this reading, you may. Some things are really major here. Magical? I don't know. Major here because I feel that the communication that's going to happen, it's like they really want to let every stuff out that is in the coffin. Kind of. I told you. Water tank in the water tank. Okay? And this goes so well. Someone does want to tell you something. They want to meet you, they want to talk to you. The Hierophant, Taurus. They want to meet you, they want to talk to you. There's this wise decision hanging in with this person. They've been contemplating on something from a very long time here. And they have that feeling of like, I'm stuck on you. There's a stuck energy on someone. For some cases, the person who is not talking to the one, or ignoring, or avoiding, or feeling left, or did the cutoff is the reason that they thought that this will be or would be the wise decision for the sake of their own area. I feel that the energy is not comfortable or was not comfortable. Unable to. Let's wind up the reading, please. Okay. Judgment. Let's wind up the reading. So this is going to be winding up of the story as well, or of this issue. I really mean, I really want, I really wish. So Judgment is a callback for me. At times, it's also something that is going to be the final results, finalizations. And this is about the Three of Swords, someone who is feeling heartbroken or betrayed, or if this is like a communication hit as well. It's also haven't talked, but we're going to talk. Haven't talked, but I need to clear this stuff. It's also about boom, 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 heated communication, hot, you know, water tank in the water tank kind of energy. To some extent, it's right because you need to resolve this. So whether it was triangle, whether it was a like a third-party situation, a misunderstanding, whatever it was, this is going to clear out. With the Judgment, it is must. Someone wanting chance as well, or you or the other energy, or giving. It will depend upon the criteria and the pattern here. But there's a lot of fight left. What's the song? Bella's fight song. You know? A lot of fight left in me. Like this is the energy of like, look, I don't want to now ignore it. I just want it out, everything out of my heart, basically. So as I talked about, for some kids it's money, resolving even this matter, and life-giving chance again to endure, to save, to bring back whatever it is, to look forward to what you have. Okay, money. So it's going to be, I feel like if it is work-related thing, it's going to resolve. For some cases, it's about Three of Swords was there, so possible separation or talk or communication, judgment, final decisions as well regarding money. So this may be separation or divorce and alimony as well. Maybe for some cases, it's about giving chance and not feeling well, feeling drained. Or some of you are out of this. Falseness. someone was, or the relationship was having that falseness, some mystery attached with that. Whatever was, it's like water tank, and the water tank means it's going to be out. Someone was having wrong thinking about someone regarding in the business possible, or maybe it is connected with the debt, or someone who is not giving you the money, or something was supposed to be done, or maybe someone thought wrong about you, or you thought wrong about them, okay? Or you tried doing wrong with someone's money, with someone's business, or with someone's trust. You shouldn't have done that, and it created a lot of mystery, and that's why they're not letting you in. Someone is trying to keep distance here, you or the other energy. This may be the lover energy. This may be you're trying to stay at bay, like regarding love. I don't know. Many, you know what? I've been having this energy of like people are trying to stay away from even love matters right now. If they're single, they want to be single. You know, they just want to stay at bay, like they're drawing that line or something. For some of you, it's like, oh, I need to think twice, thrice. Again, there's something that you really need to clear out. Now we would all talk about you need to clear the karma and all that stuff. Yes, we need to. We need to complete the circles. Yes, we need to. And that's why maybe the judgment is final communication with someone. It's like settling issues. Okay, I will do that. Okay, lock with the heart. I talked about heart. I talked about water tank, in the water tank, in the deepest of the heart's desires. Someone is going to, it's like locked up, and someone does need to, you know, crack it up. So maybe it's going to, because you have a judgment. Someone will open up about their feelings. Someone does want to visit you from where they gone, like from where they left. I hope this is going to help you guys, because these are general, so it may resonate with a lot of you and may not, I don't know, but I'm just a messenger here. I'm trying, and be responsible for your karma. Whatever you do, why you do, remember that. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.